Hey there everyone, Laser Dave here again from Trotec Laser. I have another laser hack to show you. This hack will show you how to clean the heat and smoke residue from woods that have been deep engraved with relief mode or 3D mode without the need for water.
3D grayscale images like this will produce an outstanding effect when run with relief mode on your laser. This mode will effectively vary the laser power based on the shade of grayscale, producing more depth as the grayscale gets darker and less depth as the grayscale gets lighter, producing a 3D effect onto the surface of the material. This process is most typically run onto solid, tight-grained woods like cherry and maple woods. In this example, I will engrave into cherry wood with a high laser power and a slow speed running 3 laser passes to produce the depth. The issue is that when the laser engraves depth like this, residue forms onto the surface from the engraving process. That residue can be scrubbed off with a brush and water to remove the residue, but the moisture will actually cause the wood to quickly warp. The laser hack is to use any inexpensive sandblaster in place of water, and then sandblast the surface of the engraved wood. The air pressure of the sandblaster can be adjusted so that it does not damage the wood. However, it is highly effective to quickly remove any smoke and staining residue caused from the heat of the laser engraving process. Simply move the sandblaster over the engraving using any standard sand, and within seconds the residue will be removed. The finished result will now showcase the true detail of the engraving. After the part has been blasted, for an even nicer looking effect, place some wood oil onto the engraving. This will bring out the richness and tone of that engraving. Here is the process side by side, showing the uncleaned engraving, the cleaned sandblasted version, and finally the oiled version, showing all those engraved details. This process, if done correctly, will produce a stunning looking final product with a high perceived value that will make heads turn.
Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for future laser hacks. We'll see you next time.